big gap down to start off the day, and by day's end, the markets try to crawl northbound. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, July 6, 2015. And thank you, Mark, the Meerkat Suffering, for standing in for me the last few days on your videos. And S&P here, down 0.31%, the Dow down 0.2%, the Nasdaq down 0.2%, the Russell's at break even, banks in bullish territory just by a bit, and silver up 0.3%, the same for gold. US dollar up also 0.3%, VIX though increasing 2.56%. Take a look at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, using tradingview.com, and we had this big drop, boom, then this bear pullback. Look at this bear pullback, but we're going higher with red candlesticks. Isn't that something? That the higher this is going, you're getting red candlesticks. You'd get a gap up, sell off, a gap up, sell off, a gap up, sell off. Last week, the last 3 trading days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, were big gap ups with sell-offs. And anyway, starting off the week here on June 6th, huge gap down. We rallied higher, we crashed back down, and then right at the very end, last 30 minutes a day or so, we creep higher here on some decent volume. And anyway, Greece is dealing with a lot of heartache. Markets are reflecting that. China did exceptionally well overnight due to some monetary shiftings that they're doing that helped them. But overall, the markets are broken. We have a big symmetrical triangle with a big breakdown. So no matter what you see here, the markets are broken. Now, what I do expect to happen here is more upside potential, perhaps. We did a little bear pullback, and then we dropped right to a support area. Wouldn't surprise me to see us start to go higher here for a little bit. But bottom line is this: we're below a lot of support levels. If you look here at the Nasdaq, same thing, broken, boom, bear pullback, big drop. Just it's not good. Let's take a look here at the banks. Banks had this beautiful rising wedge, boom, breakdown, big gap down, run up here below the 20-day moving average. Silver just down, almost a falling wedge type formation. If I were to draw a line here, man, this thing looks like it's ready to go bullish, gang. We got to get above a lot of resistance here. Had a shot today, had a big chance where it started to shoot off but could not do it. Gold here, just ugly. I have higher hopes for silver than gold at this moment. And a quick look here at some tech stocks. Any big movers? GoPro's down 1.5%, but we do have a hammer, so GoPro could be a buy. And looks like LinkedIn was up a little bit, gap down, run up, has the gap to fill. I'm not sure if that would be a buy, but anyway, so you got some of you received an email from Carolina over the weekend for a mentorship that we have coming up in Las Vegas the end of the month, and I want to buy your airfare there if you take the course, and on top of it you can let a friend, a colleague, a spouse take the class with you. First time we have ever done that, and 2 for 1. So if you got an email invite with information, great. If not, just go to Grok Trade yourself and click on the big blue button for more information. Take care. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.